When I was able to go to Hornby Island and visit the beach with the grade 7-8 class, and we took the kids to the beach, it was incredible. I mean, immediately their shoes are off, their pants are rolled up, and they're running across the sand. I'm Bridgette Clarkston. I'm an associate professor of teaching in the botany department at the University of British Columbia. Seaweed School is a partnership I have with the Hornby Island Natural History Center, the Hornby Island Community School, and then members of the Beatty Biodiversity Museum. And I was very lucky that I was able to take 4 students who had taken either my upper level algae course or my museum course with me to Hornby Island for this 3-day intense engagement Seaweed Days event. We collected seaweeds, we pressed seaweeds, 24 of which came here to the Beatty Museum. And then this truly beautiful moment happened on the last day when we hosted a beach walk for the general public. It's truly magical to see this intergenerational learning happening between me and then my UBC students, passed down to the kids at the community school, and then even on into members of the public. I really believe that seaweeds are a gateway to becoming interested in biodiversity in the ocean and nature. They're literally constructing the habitats that are providing food and shelter, nursery space for the entire nearshore ecosystem. I feel very strongly that as a professor in a public university, it is part of my job to get the learning that I do with my students beyond the walls of the university, and to get to know the land and the place that you want to do your work, and to think about how you're going to share what you've learned back to the community. I have to step back and let myself be led by the people who are actually living in those places and who are connected to the land. Sometimes in the case of Indigenous collaborators, for millennia. So braiding together Western science perspectives and understanding, Indigenous knowledge and ways of knowing. How am I going to take that knowledge that I'm learning and share it back to the people who live on the land where I collected that seaweed? Or better yet, what kinds of questions are those people interested in that I can help answer with the skills and experience I have as a scientist at a university?